Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to protect battery in your Samsung Galaxy A16 phone. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your settings app. Now from here scroll down a bit and then go to battery option. Now from here go to battery protection option, and that's it. Now just tap here to enable battery protection, and you can see it's enabled successfully. Now you may ask, how does it work? When your battery goes above 80%, it's very stressful for your battery, and also when your battery goes below 20%, that is also harmful situation for your battery. Now if you want to get a longer battery life, don't charge it above 80% and don't let the charge fall below 20%. So if you enable this battery protection option in your phone, then your phone will stop charging at 85%, which will protect your battery, and that way you can get a longer battery life. Also here you can see three options: basic, adaptive and maximum, and you can choose any option as you want. If you select maximum, then your phone will stop charging at 80%. You can also choose basic from here. And that is how you can protect battery in your Samsung Galaxy A16 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe